Hi, I'm Rob Hanson from Realty Source Inc. and welcome to 5110 La Calandria Drive. We've got a house that's been completely redone. We've got killer views out the front, the side, and the back. It's been freshly painted, new landscaping, new roof, new copper plumbing, new electrical, new lighting, new interior exterior paint, new front porch. It's ready to go. The interior features that could be saved were saved. So we have the original front door with the speakeasy. Hello. We replaced the floors. We used real oak floors. So it's got the original mid-century feel. We kept the original moldings on all the windows, so we kept that theme going. However, the windows have been changed. They're all dual pane windows now, so they should be energy efficient. We changed the lighting to can lighting here and modern lighting. There's now central air and heat. All new interior paint. We have an ample-sized living room and a formal dining room. The flow is excellent. You can come in, especially if you have guests, they can come in, they're in the living area mingling, and you go through the kitchen and you're directly into the backyard, which is all level. So you go right out onto the level section of the backyard. The kitchen cabinets were all rebuilt. We've got new quartz countertops, the encaustic backsplash, gold accent hardware, basin sink that's undermount, so you don't have that lip that catches everything when you go to clean. All new stainless steel appliances, the modern hood fan, character hardware on the cabinets, and we've got the black hex tile floors. It all complements each other really well. We've got some really great character lighting. We got the above the sink light in the kitchen, the center ceiling light here, and there's a garbage disposal in the sink. The laundry hookup is here in the kitchen as well. It's set up for a stackable, and there's like a butler's pantry here. So if you do need a place to keep your laundry detergent, you can do that right here in the cabinets. The backyard is spacious. The whole lot is usable. So for being on a hilltop, we have a really great layout. The backyard is flat. We've got views out the back. You can see the snow-capped mountains off to the side, and we have a lot of space in the back to do whatever you want to do. Entertain, pets, garden, whatever you want to do. It's set up and ready to go. We have a single light French door here that's new to let the natural light in and give you access to the backyard. We tried to keep as much of the original integrity as we could of the house. So we kept the original yellow and green tile in the bathroom, but the original vanity was missing, so we put a new vanity in, and we changed the hardware to be more period. That had been changed out as well. There's now a ceiling fan and a more modern toilet. The door here is a pocket door, so you don't lose space in the hallway to door swing. With people coming and going from the bedrooms, it would be really awkward if this door swung out. The bedrooms are the original closets, updated with new hardware, more modern lighting, the double paned windows, the original doors, the original hardware, and just the right size. The other bedroom is a little bit bigger in the front. Here we have a window out to the front porch, a window out to the side, a full closet, and again the hardwood floors, the character lighting. An attempt was made to continue the theme of the modern lighting throughout the house, the black on white with gold accents. We've got a Nest thermostat with the new central air and heat. The unit is in the attic up here, and we've got the intake here in the living room. The plumbing is copper, so you're good to go with the plumbing. The electrical, it's all been rewired. I believe there's a new electrical panel, there's a new water heater. Anything you would want to be move-in ready has been done here. So please, look at all the pictures, call me if you have any questions, and feel free to give me a call. I'll have the answers to your questions. My number is 310-989-5050. That's 310-989-5050, or I'm the Hanson team online at Gmail. Don't miss the full backyard. We've got the nice DG patio back here. We've got fruit trees down on the bottom and up here, and we have these killer views on all sides. Plus we have plenty of patio space for entertaining and easy access to the rear of the house.